Have you ever worried about the health of your brain, or perhaps that of someone close to you? It's a concern that many of us share, especially as we age or as we watch loved ones struggle with neurological conditions. Enter Karmic Diagnostic NR, a beacon of hope for those seeking solutions in the realm of neurological rehabilitation. Nestled at the forefront of innovation and recovery, Karmic Diagnostic NR is not just a name, but rather a promise of a healthier, happier future. At the heart of Karmic Diagnostic NR are our core services, crafted meticulously with a singular focus, to aid in the journey of neurological recovery. Our team of dedicated experts specialize in a multitude of areas, from stroke recovery to managing conditions like Parkinson's, multiple sclerosis, and other neurological disorders. What sets us apart? It's our unwavering commitment to patient-centered care. We believe that every patient is a unique individual, with unique needs and aspirations. Our approach is tailored, comprehensive, and above all, empathetic. We walk alongside each patient, guiding them through their recovery journey every step of the way. Our state-of-the-art facilities are equipped with the latest advancements in neurological rehabilitation technology. This, combined with our team of seasoned professionals, provides an environment conducive to healing, recovery, and the reclamation of independence. We're proud of the countless lives we've touched, the recovery journeys we've guided, and the smiles we've brought to faces that had begun to lose hope. But don't just take our word for it. Hear it from those who've walked the path of recovery with us and have emerged stronger, healthier, and happier. So if you or someone you love is grappling with a neurological condition, remember, you don't have to face it alone. Karmic Diagnostic NR is here for you. Reach out to us. Embrace the chance to reclaim your life, to rediscover your strength, and to experience the power of expert, empathetic care. Don't wait for tomorrow, make the call today. Your journey to recovery, to a brighter, healthier future starts with Karmic Diagnostic NR.